So we've just finished bottling a carboy of beer. A 40-liter batch will fill 2 20-liter carboys. So this one, rather than bottle it, we're going to put it in a keg. The first thing we need to do is to sanitize a siphon and sanitize the keg. So this is a beer dispensing line. This snaps onto the outlet. Normally there would be a tap on this end that you would tap into a glass. I've taken the tap off because all I want to do is just to take out the sanitizer, and there's enough pressure in the keg when I snap this down, it'll tap this out. And this gets the inside of that down tube sanitized. It also helps clean your dispensing line. So now that we've drained the keg, it's sanitary and ready to fill. All we need to do is siphon the beer out of the carboy. And into the keg. You put the siphon all the way down to the bottom. You don't want to oxidize the beer so that the end of the hose is actually submerged and the beer is not splashing around. This is important anytime you're transferring beer. So we filled the keg. Now we just have to put some CO2 into it. Before you pressurize it though, you want to purge the oxygen out. CO2 is heavier than air, so it's a pretty simple matter. You just pull up on the pressure relief, give it just a little shot of gas. I'm just turning on the tank slightly and then right back off again. And that's enough to purge the oxygen. Now we're going to put about 55 pounds. And we're not going to leave it hooked up at 55. That would overcarbonate the beer. All we're really doing is putting the pressure into the headspace. And now we're going to put it in the fridge and give it time to actually absorb that gas. And in about 24 hours, it'll reach an equilibrium of about 10 psi. The colder the liquid is, the more readily it absorbs the gas. And it should be ready to drink in 24 hours. It really depends on how much headspace there is. If it's not ready, you just hit it again and it'll be ready the next day.